हमने आप दोनों को इसलिए बुलाया बिकॉज आप दोनों बहुत ही डिफरेंट हो।
और क्योंकि और कोई आ नहीं रहा था। आपका सेक्स के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
मैं ना बहुत ही परफेक्ट चाइल्ड थी।
लाइक कुकी।
कुकी जो है वो हमारी छोटी सी कुत्ती है। सलोना, सलवेश।
I want to tell you something. What? Just fuck off. And two cups.
Welcome to Two Girls and Two Cups.
And two moms. Excuse me.
Excuse?
ठीक है, Women's Day and all.
We introduced ourselves.
जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना। आज है विमेंस डे।
But हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे Women's Month
क्योंकि जैसा कि हमने पहले नहीं कहा है, क्योंकि ये पहला एपिसोड है ऑफ विमेंस डे। एक दिन ही क्यों, एक पूरा महीना औरतों को इज्जत, महीनों महन
महीना।
What is it?
महीना।
एक पूरा महीना औरतों को इज्जत देनी चाहिए। जी हाँ, और आप हमें देख रहे हैं in the beautiful Lakshmipati sarees, and stop staring because otherwise you will get cataract, and we are beautiful, and stop.
So welcome to our episode. Introduction हो चुका है. We were overpowered yet again.
But आप सोच रहे होंगे, who are these beautiful girls? Are they our sisters? Are they our brothers?
Look at them. Let me tell you that आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही दो ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग लोग हैं
जिन्होंने हमें 9 महीना
महीने
9 months
What is महीना?
पर महीना कौन बोलता है?
वो महीना कौन बोलता है?
जिन्होंने हमें 9 months के लिए अपने घर पर रहने दिया और फिर धक्के मारकर पुश करके हमें अपने घर से ही बाहर निकाल दिया, और फिर पूरी जिंदगी कंप्लेन करते रहे कि हमने तुम्हें पैदा ही क्यों किया।
हाँ, मतलब हमने कहा था
हमने बोला था मजे तो आपने किए ना।
हाँ, मजे
किए
तो
ना,
आपने किए ना।
आपने किया ना।
ये वो लोग हैं जब घर में कुछ चीज टूट जाती है ना तो बोलते हैं हाँ अच्छा है, तोड़ दो, सब तोड़ दो, एक काम करो तुम मुझे भी तोड़ दो,
पूरा घर तोड़ दो, दुनिया तोड़ दो, तुम्हारे देश को तोड़ दो, सब कुछ तोड़ दो।
Girls be nice to us please. Already wait for it. As we were in your childhood.
वो इतनी ड्रामेटिक है कि अगर हम उनसे लेट नाइट का परमिशन मांगते तो क्या बोलते हैं, तो आते आ क्यों रहे हो, बाहर ही रह लो ना, अपने वो कौन से लड़के के घर पे जा रहे हो, उधर रह लो। नहीं उसके साथ ही रह लो ना, उसकी मम्मी तुम्हें खाना खिलाएगी, पैदा सब कुछ करेगी, है ना। तुम
मैं जब मिनी स्कर्ट पहनती थी ना तो मम्मी बोलती थी अरे ये भी क्यों पहना यार,
कुछ मत पहनो,
रहने दो ना।
अरे ऐसी चली जाओ ना बिना कपड़ों के।
हाँ।
वो मारती है तो हम रोते हैं, फिर हम रोते हैं तो वो और मारती है,
और वो खुद रोती रहती है। वो बागबान देख के रोती है, वो कपिल शर्मा शो भी देख के रोती है।
सलोनी पैदा हुई तो भी उसकी मम्मी रोई।
काफी रोई।
हाँ।
पर वेंटिंग वाला एपिसोड दूसरा था। ये इंट्रोडक्शन था, काफी इंट्रोडक्शन। आज हमारे साथ है हमारी मम्मीज,
2 girls की 2 mummies।
वेलकम टू द शो गाइस, वेलकम टू द शो।
Thank you. I'm so excited and I'm so happy.
ये
Yes.
हम आपसे एंड में पूछेंगे कि आर यू स्टिल एक्साइटेड एंड आर यू स्टिल हैप्पी।
Okay.
आज हमने आपको इसीलिए बुलाया कि हम जो आपको नहीं बोल पाए लाइफ में आज सब बोल देंगे।
Actually, this is a Women's Day episode, and we have to do the basic minimum by introducing the women, their names.
Oh, I thought they're mummies, no sir. Okay,
Because once you're a mother, there's no name.
but that's
no
that's-
identity.
That's true. That's happening with me.
Please welcome Sabal.
Yes.
Sabal Khanna.
Yes.
Not Patel. Patel is your husband.
Yes.
Please welcome Sabal Khanna.
Double matlab strong.
wow
Sabal.
And please welcome Sharmila Ganguly.
Sharmila Ganguly Ramanan now.
Sharmila Ganguly Ramanan now.
Basically मेरी मम्मी की 2 साल पहले ही
शादी हुई है।
शादी हुई है।
3 साल
It's
पहले
exactly how
3
it
साल
sounds.
पहले। In the same year that I got married. पर पहले मम्मी की शादी करवा ली फिर मेरी।
nice
So हमने सोचा Women's Day स्पेशल है तो why not call the most amazing, mind-blowing women that we know of personally in our lives. That's our moms. So let's begin.
Yeah, let's begin.
आपको शो का फॉर्मेट पता है?
मुझे भी पता है, it's funny.
You find it funny?
Oh, that's very sweet.
Of
Nice.
course.
आपको कभी ये नहीं लगा कि ये मेरी बेटी क्या कर रही है, कैसी कैसी बातें करती है? हो
बहुत अच्छा लगा। सृष्टि का तो कुछ ज्यादा ही अच्छा लग रहा है।
Basically, your mom prefers anyone but you.
तो इसके तो गाली के बिना काम ही नहीं चलता ना।
गाली के बिना काम नहीं चलता।
That's not true. हाँ, तो मुझे एक्चुअली पूछना था पहले तो कि what was your mom's reaction when you told her that you're inviting her to the podcast? I want to say it here. आपने क्या कहा, आप बताइए।
आप बताओ।
एक बारी करके बताओ।
अच्छा मम्मा आपको ना what is this role play happening? मम्मा आप मेरी मम्मा को ना एक्टिंग करनी थी actually, तो आज करिए। मम्मा हम लोग Women's Day स्पेशल कर रहे हैं और आपको शो पे आना है बिकॉज हमारे अच्छे स्पॉन्सर्स चाहते हैं कि आप शो पे रहो।
What? Have you invited your father? Because he talks and I listen. Yeah, I'm a good listener. तो मैं तो यहाँ बातें सुनूंगी तुम्हारी.
That's exactly what she said, but 100 times more nervous. She's like, तुम एक काम करो ना. She was palpitating. So I was like, first relax. She's like, तुम एक काम करो. तुम पापा को बुला लो. फिर पापा तो बहुत ही बोलते हैं, तो वो बोलते रहेंगे और मैं हाँ कर दूंगी. Women's Day special में पापा करेंगे क्या?
और मेरी मम्मी ने पता क्या बोला? What do I wear?
What's my look?
But wearing से याद आया, आपको आपके घर की लक्ष्मीज इन लक्ष्मीपति साड़ीज में कैसी लग रही है?
एकदम लक्ष्मी लग रहे हो आप लोग दोनों.
Beautiful, very nice. Aren't we supposed to wear sarees?
लेकिन उतना बजट नहीं था हमारे पास. हम सिर्फ
अच्छे 4 साड़ी ले आए.
And plus, you know, it's high time that now you guys not look the way you look and we look better. Like I've always had this complex when I was growing up. Everybody used to tell my mother that she looks like my sister. And that's still happening with Ganguly.
I
That's
was
so
also
mean.
about
Are you
to
trying to
say.
say your mom's looking old now?
Yeah.
Auntie, she doesn't. You come to me.
And do what?
Just come to me. Okay, तो हम आपको अभी एक चीज करने वाले हैं जिसको बोलते हैं रोस्ट. आपको पता है रोस्ट क्या होता है?
That you'll say horrible things to me and then we have to sort of smile and think that it's not serious but it will be serious.
और आपको क्या लगता है रोस्टिंग क्या?
Same.
Same.
We have to count the number
Copy
of times
paste.
my mom is going to say same.
Same.
हाँ, वो यही करना चाहती है, वापस से हाँ.
आजकल तो दुनिया बदल गई है, सब कुछ बदल गया है. लोग और अवेयर हो गए हैं औरतों के बारे में, बच्चों को कैसे हाउ टू ब्रिंग देम अप, इन सब चीजों के बारे में बहुत अवेयर हो गए हैं लोग. तो क्या आज के डेट में अगर आपको चॉइस मिलता तो आप अपने बच्चे को चप्पल से मारते या अपने नए बर्किनस्टॉक चप्पल से मारते?
ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है? What is this, यार?
मतलब आप पुराने जमाने के चप्पल से मारते हैं या नए जमाने के चप्पल से?
क्योंकि चप्पल से तो
क्योंकि
हम
चप्पल से तो मारना ही है. आप
जी
मारना ही है.
नहीं, सॉरी, कभी
हाँ?
भी नहीं सोचा, भी नहीं, कभी मारा भी नहीं है.
मम्मा,
रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन.
आपने मेरे पे चप्पल फेंक के कभी नहीं मारी?
नेवर.
आपने मेरे को कभी चप्पल फेंक के नहीं मारा?
She's denying it.
डिनाइंग क्या?
I have never
What is this
refused
about?
any chappal.
अच्छा, not with chappal, she's saying. She's hit with hand. Yes.
Not झाड़ू और metal rods and stuff, but never चप्पल.
चप्पल से नहीं मारा
I
तुम्हें.
have never hit you with any
मतलब
चप्पल.
I felt it, but I
But you never
controlled
wore
myself.
chappals. You never wore chappals. You only wore heels.
Exactly.
All
If
the
I had to
time.
hit you with those,
that
you would
was-
have died.
मेरी मॉम ने ना मुझे मारने की कोशिश की, लेकिन मैं लंबी हो गई उनसे. तो मुझे एक बार याद है, my mom got so we were very small. हम इतना फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए,
She's just
इतना
like-
फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए कि उनको समझ में नहीं आया कि वो क्या करे, तो उन्होंने चप्पल उठाई फेंकी.
ऊपर.
Threw it.
नीचे.
I dodged it. No. रोल आ गई.
आपको
याद
आप
है,
ये
याद
सब झूठ बोल रही है ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
सब बनावटी बात.
तुम्हारा
Nice.
नाम सलोनी है ना?
हाँ.
बहुत ही प्यारी और
हाँ.
बहुत ही ओबीडियंट और बहुत ही लविंग चाइल्ड थी. तुमने मुझे कभी ट्रबल किया ही नहीं.
Wow. She now
Wow.
that's where she gets her acting from. Really good acting, guys.
Look at
It's
her. I'm
amazing.
telling you the
I
truth.
was a very
yes.
good kid, actually. She's right. So I just wanted to say that as parents and kids, we have taken a lot of trips together, and I have loved each and every trip that we've taken together, especially the guilt trips that you put us on. So how do you feel about that?
कैसे आंसर करे ये? मतलब which?
Your mother saying which guilt trip? Tell us out of the 2,500 ones. Which
Yeah.
one I talking
Exact specific
Which
बताओ
one
आप.
hurt you all the most?
जब भी हम आर्ग्यू करते हैं, आई एम श्योर दिस अप्लाइज टू यू आल्सो आंटी, कि अगर हम आपके साथ आर्ग्यू करते हैं तो आप क्यों इमीडिएटली वहां चले जाते हो कि मैंने आपको 9 महीने पेट में पाला है, मैंने क्या क्या किया है, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए रात को खाना नहीं किया खाया क्योंकि मुझे तुम्हें खिलाना था. क्यों नहीं खाया? हमारी गलती है. टेक
मैंने
अस
तो
बैक.
हमेशा खाना खाया.
आप मेरे लिए भूखे नहीं रहे मम्मी.
नहीं. Other than intermittent fasting or something.
वन मोर ट्रॉमा थेरेपिस्ट जी.
आपने भी फास्ट कभी नहीं रखा ना?
Never.
आप कभी भूखे सोए हो अपने बेटी के लिए?
My father is sick ना, तो there is no fast as such.
Yeah.
तो मेरे
So
गल
never
मेरे को मतलब मेरे लिए हमेशा खाना था. What am I asking?
देखो, मैं जो पैसे सेव कर रही थी वो पहले आपके बुढ़ापे के लिए था, एंड आई एम श्योर वो भी आपके बुढ़ापे के लिए सेव कर रही थी. पर अभी वो सारा पैसा थेरेपी में जा रहा है.
हमें पता ही नहीं कि तुमने सेव किया था पैसा हमारे बुढ़ापे के लिए. You should just give it to us, right? It's time.
It's time. मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तो यही था कि आप बूढ़े होने का लोगे क्या? Will you please get old? Like what is this? What is this hotness
Just
happening?
give the money, then you won't need therapy.
मम्मा आपको लगता है कि मैंने आपके लिए पैसे सेव किए थे?
तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो.
पैसों से याद आया, आपका एक फेवरेट गाना है जो मुझे अभी इट्स रिंगिंग इन माय माइंड. यू वांट टू सिंग इट फॉर व्हिच हर फेवरेट सॉन्ग? या मेरी दूसरी बेटी मेरी असली बेटी है, सबसे प्यारी है
वो जिसका नाम सोनाली है।
तो ये वाला है ना आपका फेवरेट गाना?
है ना? सच
ये
बताओ।
भी अच्छा है वैसे, not bad.
I just have to tell you for the people who don't know, Sonali is my younger sister जिससे मेरी मॉम बहुत प्यार करती है, बहुत।
पर ऐसा क्यों कि मतलब मैं समझ सकती हूँ एक्चुअली कि आप इससे कम प्यार क्यों करते हो, पर क्यों?
तो तुम ये बताओ, तुम्हें क्यों लगता है कि मैं तुम्हें कम करती हूँ? You
सच
have
का
to tell
सामना।
me.
नहीं करते
No, not at all.
मम्मा।
तुम्हारे लिए मैं all the way चल के आई हूँ for this show. And
Correct.
मेरी
Point.
असली बेटी मेरी दूसरी बेटी है। ओके, एवरी पेरेंट हैज अ फेवरेट। मेरी मॉम का मेरी बहन है
और
and
मम्मी की मैं हूँ,
उनको बोलने देना यार।
बोल दिया था मुझे।
कभी
अरे
आप इससे
आपने
डरो
अपने लंदन वाला
मैं
और
डरती हूँ।
लोखंड वाला घर मुझे दिया है ना?
नहीं,
हाँ दिया है।
दिशा।
check the papers. Actually, ये सब मुझे करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. She knows my signature.
What?
Yeah.
सच
ये
बताओ।
कुछ भी कर
I have
सकती है.
copied her signature.
She has been.
I'll do it and show you. You want to see the difference? There's no difference.
चलो 3, 2, 1 and oh my
Oh,
god,
it's Ramanan now. I did the. Oh, sorry. I forgot that you're married.
This
again.
is very interesting for two reasons. One that it is exactly the same. Okay, zoom in ना, मतलब देख लो, मतलब नीचे जो ये ऐसे आर्टवर्क है ना, वो भी
वो
सेम
भी
है।
मैंने
Two
कॉपी
balls.
किया है,
लेकिन
yes.
the second reason is far more interesting because Srishti is still stuck in the past. She has given her father's surname to the signature.
Yeah.
I can do
They'll
Ramanan
say this
also.
is
wait.
a wrong signature.
अपने सिग्नेचर्स इसको कभी मत बताना गाइस।
There.
इसको फ्रॉड कहते हैं। फ्रॉड हो तुम। कैन यू सी इट?
great, Srishti.
इनका ये आराम से ना पीछे वाली पॉकेट में बैग में रखना।
हमारा घर है यार।
यहाँ से बैंक जाएंगे। आप अपनी प्री मैरिज लाइफ के बारे में कुछ बताओ ना, लाइक
Pre-marriage life.
मतलब not second marriage pre, first marriage pre.
फर्स्ट मैरिज प्री व्हेन यू वर
I was a
यंगर।
little baby.
I mean, I know that you lived in Bandra. You were a Bandra girl.
Totally.
Like totally. And then after marriage and after whatever went down, you were living in a 1 BHK with 2 daughters.
No. Do your research, man.
लिखा है यहाँ।
No, so I was living in a one-room kitchen first when
With
I
two
got
daughters.
married, and I didn't know how to cook and all of that. And it was those typical era when they expected the bahu to cook. So I was gifted not a gas stove, but a kerosene stove.
वो क्या होता है? I don't know. I'm Gen Z actually.
You're not actually. But how old were you when you got married?
18.
18 साल में शादी कर ली थी आपने?
हाँ मतलब जैसे ही 18 साल. As soon as I reached the legal age.
She's like, अभी शादी।
अभी शादी.
शादी। But
No, it wasn't like that. But yeah, I got married at 18.
and one room kitchen में कौन-कौन रह रहा था?
Me and my one husband.
Not in
You had to mention my one husband.
not in-laws, na?
No, they did come for our wedding nights.
They were there with you guys on your wedding night.
Yes.
Very typical Indian family.
And
symbol.
brother-in-laws.
In that one room kitchen.
Yes. We slept in kitchen.
Sweet.
You slept on your marriage night in the kitchen.
Both
With
of
your
you, na,
father.
not just you. No?
No.
That would be then problematic.
Did you ever use that kerosene stove?
I did.
Yeah.
And then there was one amazing day when fire.
She's like, इस one room kitchen से बाहर निकलने का रास्ता यही है। 18 साल की थी यार. Whereas my mom on the other hand, मम्मा आपने कौन सी एज में शादी की थी?
I was 23.
Which was
20.
late for
Yeah,
that age
that
time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very late in
Yeah.
fact. Yeah.
क्या सुनने को मिलता था?
बहुत कुछ.
जैसे
फिर मैं यहाँ से सुनती थी, यहाँ से निकालती थी.
अभी भी
Nice.
आप वही करते हो
हाँ.
मेरी बात. मैं जो भी बोलती हूँ मैं यहाँ से सुनती हूँ, यहाँ से
वो
निकालती
सुनती भी नहीं है. अब दोनों ही बंद हो गए.
सोनाली जो बोलती है ना वो यहाँ से सुनती है और घूमती रहती है ऐसे, बाहर ही नहीं निकलती है. बट द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज हमने आप दोनों को इसलिए बुलाया बिकॉज आप दोनों बहुत ही डिफरेंट हो.
और क्योंकि और कोई आ नहीं रहा था.
हम इतने बेकार है.
बट आप बहुत डिफरेंट हो. लाइक यू आर नाउ दिस single, you were this single mom for
I was confused.
She's like, my in-laws are watching. My husband is watching my.
you were for a long time,
For
you
the
were a
longest
single
time, you
mother and working and you know
Yeah.
like out there. And my mom, उन्होंने start किया था as a working woman और फिर वो बन गई homemaker.
Correct.
and she has been a homemaker all her life.
Lovely.
So it's almost like you guys swapped lives, and that
Yeah.
happens to a lot of people. वो सोचते हैं कि ऐसे जाएगा, but ऐसे होता नहीं है. शादी के बाद बहुत सारी चीजें for a lot of women change हो जाती हैं. So I want to understand how that was. Like मम्मा, आप पापा से ज्यादा पैसे कमाते थे जब आपकी शादी हुई थी उनसे. तो थोड़ा बताओ ना, कितने कमाते थे, क्या कमाते थे, सब बताओ.
और कैसा लगा जब when you were leaving the job? Were you happily doing it? Did you feel like
या करना पड़ रहा था.
क्योंकि तुम पैदा हो गई थी ना.
ये भी मेरी वजह से हो गया.
नहीं तो I had to leave the
मेरी
job.
मॉम को थेरेपी जाना पड़ रहा है मेरी वजह से. It's the other way around here. But anyway,
See, तुम्हारा रोस्टिंग देखते देखते ना मुझे भी आदत हो गई है.
Of course. That's a
It's
good
my
thing.
love for you. It's not that.
yeah, sure. Very nice love language. Roast your lover, loving daughter. But say na, how much were you
हाँ.
earning that time?
ज्यादा नहीं था. Around I think 8,500.
And पापा कितना कमा रहे थे?
4,000 something.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो
ooh, double? फिर आपने job इसलिए छोड़ा क्योंकि your baby was born? Was that the only reason, or you just thought that now is time to?
Cope up हो नहीं पा रहा था after she was born. घर को भी देखना, फिर I thought let me try quitting. और फिर जैसे ही quit किया तो मेरे husband का growth होना शुरू हो गया. So I never felt कि there was a need to work. We were all comfortable and अच्छा रहा.
What did you work as?
Computer analyst थी मैं
Wow.
that time.
मतलब क्या होता है
पर
उसका?
घर में computer नहीं था.
Computer analyze
घर में कंप्यूटर नहीं था. She's saying घर पर घर में कंप्यूटर नहीं था. कंप्यूटर 90s में कहाँ था यार?
That's true.
When you were born, I requested your papa to get one computer for me. तो उसके पैसे नहीं होते थे. So
हाँ.
I lost interest धीरे धीरे.
Hmm.
And it was okay. Like,
फिर आप किचन में घुसे और
तुमने
किचन में
बहुत पुरानी बात याद करा दी मुझे उससे. Good.
So maybe now that both your daughters are married and now you have more time in your hands and you don't have this irritating woman around you, maybe you can go back to maybe not the job, but I also know that आप गाती थी.
गाती
और
हैं.
गाती अभी भी गाती हैं अच्छे से, मतलब दिल
अच्छा
खोल
लगता
के.
है
या
गाना.
मेरी
अच्छा
असली
लगता है.
बेटी दूसरी गाती है यार. क्या बात कर रही है? गाती है. हाँ.
She has a very soft and sweet voice.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that I didn't get. But like you had to start earning after you got married because the marriage fell apart and then you were single and
Yeah.
you had to start earning. And my mom became a homemaker.
Yeah.
Women now do both. घर का भी ध्यान रखते हैं
Yeah.
और वो भी करते हैं. Do you think they need to?
Need to do both.
Yeah. Can they not just choose to be a homemaker or just choose to work? Like they have this pressure कि दोनों करना है. Do you think that's fair?
I think if you can find a balance between doing both, and it's not only for women, even for men, I think it's all about finding the right balance, managing both the things. It's a good thing to be financially independent.
Yeah.
So why not?
You think, Mama, what?
I was never under the pressure. I didn't work. I just chose to be with you, with the family. I loved it.
She chose.
It was
to be.
actually luxury. for
Yeah,
me.
it is luxury.
When
it is a luxury.
one member is earning, the other one is looking after family.
is so
Yeah,
true.
She wants to do that.
Yeah, why
Yeah,
not?
and I feel like काफी judgment आता है मेरी तरफ जब मैं बोलती हूँ मुझे काम
But
नहीं
it's
करना.
a choice. There's no judgment. It's
Yeah.
a choice. Like I have worked like after separation, I mean divorce, I started working and I've been working for 20 years, but currently I'm not, and I'm enjoying this
Yeah.
side of it.
Yeah.
And I mean, I have to undo that entire pressure of finding work, getting up in the morning and doing work. I'm literally undoing it and I'm trying to justify myself. And each time I say, no, it's okay. You
Yeah.
know, you don't have to like have that pressure. So I'm enjoying that.
So women out there, myth busting is not happening. There was no myth, but information giving is happening on TGTC. Heavy questions are happening today because it's Women's Day.
If you want to be homemaker, be homemaker. If you want to do working, do working.
If
If
you
you want to do both, do both.
If you want
But
to do
it should be
nothing.
your choice. to cook.
आपको वो याद है कि पापा ने कहा था कि मैं 500 रुपए दूंगा अगर तू कुछ बनाएगी खाने के लिए, और मैंने बोला हाँ मैं एक्साइटेड हो गई, और फिर आपने मुझे बनाने दिया, मेड ने बनाया, और फिर मैंने ऐसे कच्ची जाके ऐसे ला दी थी. फर्स्ट आई सेड क्यों बनाएगी, वो नहीं बनाएगी. माय डैड सेड मैं पैसे दूंगा. तो मैं हो गई एक्साइटेड पैसे का. तो मैंने कहा ओके आई मेक बिरयानी. I have gone inside the kitchen to make biryani. Mama said बाहर जाके बैठो. She has told the maid make the biryani. Maid ने पूरी बिरयानी बनाई है. My help. Then मम्मा said इधर आओ, हाथ लगाइए करछी. मैंने करछी ऐसे ऐसे करी. She served it to Papa saying सलोनी ने बनाई. My dad doesn't know this. You know it today.
Yeah, she told me a lot about the fact that you try to keep your kids away from the kitchen. Like you wanted your kids to do everything that you may have
she
not
did,
been
yeah.
able to do in your
हाँ,
life, right?
कुछ ऐसा तो.
क्यों ऐसा करती थी आप?
क्योंकि किचन में जाते हैं तो आई थिंक मुझे लगता था किचन के ही होके रह जाओगे. You know, you will not get time for
Exposure.
your passion or for your habits, for your work, whatever. for your studies.
Yeah,
और
तो
kitchen
बाहर
का I
जाके-
think कभी भी you can go and learn whatever. It's
Hmm.
not that complex.
You tell us, you cooked,
I cooked a lot. I love cooking actually.
but you were this perfect bahu, na?
I tried.
What
I
did you
was
do?
very young, so I tried to sort of fit into, I could because I was young, so I didn't have like my own sort of personality by then. I didn't even know what I like, don't like. So I just sort of wanted to make my husband happy.
Of course you
I
did.
believed in mera pati, mera Parameshwar type. So I did everything. Like I
you
was
still-
happy doing.
Were you wearing clothes like this, or were you in your bahu setup? Were you in
When
sarees
my
and
in-laws would come, I would be in my bahu setup.
yeah?
Which is what?
Traditional clothes. My ex-mother-in-law was very fond of saris and she used to get me a lot of saris.
She's
I used to
gifted
like,
you saris?
She did.
Did you get any Gujarati saris?
Yes, from Surat, she used to buy a lot of saris.
Where from Surat?
Was
Where?
it Lakshmipati?
It could have been, it may have been, it must be because
Really?
I remember wearing these Lehriya saris, which were lines and they were prints.
It
Yeah.
must be Lakshmipati because they have been there from 1984 and you got married in
89?
Lakshmipati though started as a small retail shop, and then obviously they
But Dadi was from Surat, na? So she must have. I'm telling you, it's possible
Yeah.
that one of the saris.
because they are the largest.
and she'll
manufacturer.
pass on the saris to you because
Yeah.
saris are like the tagline is also saris virasat, na, which makes
Yeah.
sense. So then you should check
Yeah.
कि उसमें से कौन सी लक्ष्मीपति की साड़ी थी. I'm
But
pretty
mom,
sure.
even now, when you got married again, you had your trousseau. What do you call it?
Chooser.
You had your trousseau, right?
Yeah.
And that had all your sarees and garments.
It did, and luckily, my mother-in-law now she wears the best saris in the world.
They're all coming to you.
Yeah,
And then to you. And then to me. Yes. And then to me.
हम साड़ी की दुकान खोल सकते हैं.
Don't
पता है
ignore my
तुम्हें?
question.
क्या?
Then
Why
to
would
me.
it come to you? You are my daughter or what?
Viruze?
But okay, yeah, sure.
मम्मा आप भी साड़ी पहनते थे?
हाँ पहनती थी जब मेरा फिगर अच्छा था. I used to look good, attractive. तब.
You still-
आपको लग रहा है कि आपका फिगर अच्छा? Oh
She's-
God,
she's-
insecurity.
She's fishing for compliments.
Yeah.
saris,
I can see
saris में, and especially Indian, बनाया ही था कि you don't really need to have a very perfect figure.
Yeah.
Sari में you start, it just covers the right parts and
Yeah,
opens
and
the
you
right
look-
parts and makes you look
Yeah.
shapely. I think.
When was the last
हाँ,
time you
you
wore
are
a sari?
right.
Yeah.
Actually, I used to wear, but it was difficult for me to
Drape.
drape.
Nowadays you can.
Yeah, we get
Pre-stitch.
pre-stitched. So I
My
wear
mom takes all her
occasionally,
saris
yes.
and pre-stitches them.
But why not? Na? It's easier to wear also.
And especially if you're like not here and you don't have someone to help you and you have to do everything very quickly and fast, pre-stitched saris are, even Lakshmipati has pre-stitched saris.
Thanks for telling
Oh,
us.
thanks for wow. Someone's done her research.
New information. 2 girls को मिल रही है नई information उनके sponsor के बारे में.
लक्ष्मी के पास भी है.
Thanks यार. Wow, amazing. सारीज की बात तो होगी बट अब थोड़ी मिस्टेक्स की बात कर लेते हैं.
पूरा शो खत्म हो जाएगा.
आपकी बेटी ने बहुत मिस्टेक्स की होंगी ना?
बेटी ने, हाँ, तो फिर तो वो
क्यों आपका
पूरा
कोई बेटा
सीरीज
भी है?
बनेगा और
How did you deal with every time ये कुछ गलत करती थी तो आप क्या करते थे?
मारती थी.
आज के दिन
And
में
then-
मम्मी कैंसिल हो जाएगी.
Guys तब चलता था. It's okay.
पहले समझाने की कोशिश करती थी. There used to be discussions and all of that, but when it wouldn't stop, but she learned, that when she knew that I was going to hit her, she would start screaming even before I could hit her. जैसे
cry.
कोई नहीं, जैसे कोई देवी आ गई हो.
माता आ जाती है ना.
Yeah, like then you get confused. अभी इसे मारूं या नहीं मारूं, because अभी तक मारा तो है नहीं.
क्योंकि लोग तो सुन रहे हैं, लोगों को लग रहा है कि गंदे चाटे पड़ रहे हैं यार
Yeah,
उसको, but
नहीं,
actually
like-
शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है.
इसको कुछ दौरा पड़ गया है,
So I used to, I think, use that as, if I scream, my mom doesn't attack me because she gets scared about
Attack.
other
No, you
people.
want to then take care of, okay, इसको तो दौरा आ गया. That
Hit me
बट
with-
यू नो ये तो आपको पता था ना कि ये वीक चाइल्ड है, ड्रामेटिक है थोड़ी. मैं ना बहुत ही परफेक्ट चाइल्ड थी. ओके, लाइक आई वाज लाइक दिस आइडियलिस्टिक किड, है ना मम्मा?
बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल. हाँ, टॉपर एंड प्रॉपर
like cookie.
या लाइक कुकी एंड मी आर सिमिलर. दैट्स ट्रू.
Guys, कुकी जो है वो हमारी छोटी सी कुत्ती है जो घर पे रहती है.
Disha, did you see what she
कुकी तो
said?
कुत्ते का ही नाम होता है guys.
और कुच्ची किसका नाम होता है?
कौन कुची?
हाँ. So I was this perfect child who cannot make a mistake, right? But we all make mistakes. So Mama, how did you deal with me making mistakes?
पहले तो क्या मिस्टेक्स करती थी आप ये बताओ कि
Okay, do you remember once you walked into the room and आपको सिगरेट की स्मेल आ रही थी?
अच्छा मैं ऐसी चीजें भूल जाती हूँ actually.
भूल नहीं, आप डिनाइल में रहती हो तो
नहीं,
आप
denial की
याद
बात
नहीं करना
है,
चाहते.
because
She doesn't
it's
want to
okay.
remember these scary things.
And even Sonali is like this topper and whatever. मुझसे भी brilliant है वो तो. Mom has walked into the room and she's smelling cigarette, okay? और मैंने बस
एक बार वैसे ट्राई की थी, मैं स्मोक नहीं करती, आई वाज ट्राइंग इट। तो मैं सिगरेट पिया और मैंने मम्मा अंदर आ गई तो मैंने फेंक दी। तो मम्मा कह रही है हाँ क्या चाहिए खाने का, सिगरेट की स्मेल आ रही है ना, और मैं यहाँ पे क्या बोलूंगी क्या बोलूं, तो मैंने बट बिफोर आई कुड से एनीथिंग माय मॉम इज लाइक ओ विंडो खुली है, बाहर से आ रही होगी।
So sweet.
That is how, see,
She didn't want to accept it.
हाँ वो वर्कर्स है ना बाहर, वो बाहर से आ रही
हाँ
होगी।
वो हाँ
Once my sister has come drunk out of her senses on New Year's, मतलब इतनी drunk है कि वो पास आउट हो चुकी है गाड़ी में, उसको पापा ऊपर उठा के लेके जा रहे हैं और हमें और पापा हंस भी रहे हैं और बोल रहे हैं कि यार ये क्या तरीका है वट एवर। मेरी मम्मी बोल रही है हाय हाय बीमार हो गई अरे कुछ होता नहीं है उसको। मैं
So
पापा
sweet.
मी एंड पापा लुकिंग एट ईच अदर सेइंग वो दारू पी रही, नहीं किसी ने कुछ मिला दिया।
आपको पता है आप ये करती हो या आपको नहीं पता?
the first time I saw her in that condition, na, that was the first and the last time.
So you honestly thought कि वो drunk नहीं थी?
See, drunk तो थी ही, उसमें क्या है?
Right now,
ये
so she
क्या
doesn't want
बात
to
है?
accept it. She's like, no.
She's like
I'm like-
drunk तो थी।
Today she's accepting it for the first time. This is a like in therapy this would be called breakthrough. This is breakthrough.
Let's talk about the way you used to dress me up.
Yeah, let's both talk about
Yes.
this. Yeah.
I just told you I used to irritate them. So come on.
Tell me how you used to dress me up, Mama.
There's this photograph. Today is the day for accepting all our traumas and going beyond them.
But nobody is believing. They think it's Bhavish. They have said ये Bhavish है ना. So I just want to talk about this picture.
Guys, ये photograph ध्यान से देख लीजिए इस photograph. कहाँ दिखाऊं मैं? यहाँ.
ये मेरा
और
भाई
यहाँ.
है जो मर चुका है.
ये है सलोना. सलवेश.
मम्मा प्लीज टेल देम कि ये मेरे बालों का ये मेरे
ये
बाल
बाल
कैसे
कैसे हुए? ये naturally born तो नहीं.
How
लगे.
did I get an afro out of nowhere? I'm not even from Africa. What happened?
You had curly hair, you know, and people used to accuse me. तुम्हारे बच्चे को इतनी छोटी बच्ची है, and you got her done permed hair, you know, how can you torture her or something like that? मैं कहा नहीं,
It's
it's
natural.
natural. Actually, she had beautiful curls. So then what happened? It is very difficult to maintain. So school में कभी-कभी जल्दी होता था, तो she used to say नहीं मैंने कर लिया ठीक है, टाई कर दिया मैं, क्योंकि मैं करूँगी तो it will take time. 2-3 दिन बीते, मैंने देखा पीछे वो इकट्ठे होते जा रहे हैं उसके बाल. Really got क्या इतने गंदे knots हो गए थे कि उसको छुड़ाना मुश्किल हो गया था. तो finally I took a scissor and then
Deadlock.
chopped it. And then she made it, you know, like this. You must have done something.
हाँ
to
हाँ
her
ये
hair.
मैंने किया है.
ऐसे
Yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
था.
ऐसे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था ऐसे. ये मैंने किया है. My mom has taken my hair and chopped it off and made me get an afro.
नहीं
But
ऐसे
because
नहीं
of the
था.
knots, because of the knots,
Yeah, but like, come on,
What
yaar.
to do?
she was helping you.
But वैसे why I say come on? I know what you did to your daughters.
I did very cute stuff.
No, you did.
No, she used to do this banana split hairstyle. It was really bad. She would put ponytail यहाँ तक हो सकता है, high pony max यहाँ तक हो सकता है. यहाँ वाला pony नहीं हुआ, फिर
Right.
कुछ और हो गया. यहाँ पे pony, फिर वहां से 2 split
Prove
करके ऐसे.
They were very cute.
Mom.
Show a photograph.
Mom, and then you would get us
Like-
for some reason matching clothes, and she was like always fitting into it, and I was hanging into it at all times.
You just want to say वो thin ना.
Yeah.
मम्मा आप हमें कैसे उठाते थे स्कूल के लिए जरा बताना.
तुमको रात को ही मैं नहला देती थी सो
हाँ.
दैट सुबह टाइम वेस्ट ना हो, और फटाफट उठाया ऐसे ऐसे करके तुम उठ भी जाते थे,
ऐसे करके
कार में डाला और छोड़ के आ गए.
She's
कार
not. She
ऐसा होता
main part she again missed. How
उन्होंने
she used to wait.
चुटकी में निकाल दिया मेरे पास.
हाँ, जैसे ये denial is this from now on. Denial. मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं.
यार सच बताओ यार, आप रूम में आते थे and you know my mom
Yeah,
ना,
mom.
my mom doesn't scream, my
No,
mom
that's
doesn't yell, my mom doesn't like it only, she's beneath her. She's like so my mom will come, she will not say anything, she will not say उठ जाओ चलो टाइम हो गया, nothing. Me and my sister sleeping, जितनी लाइटें हैं ना घर की, सफेद लाइटें, जितनी लाइटें सारी ऑन हो जाएंगी एक साथ.
सफेद लाइट.
उसके बाद मम्मा कंबल ऐसे निकाल देंगी और चली जाएंगी अपना टिफिन बनाने के लिए, और तुम्हारे पास है 5 मिनट. अगर उस 5 मिनट में तुम उठ गए तो ठीक है, अगर तुम नहीं उठे तो आएगा पानी किचन से बिना कुछ बोले.
अच्छा है ना फिर?
there's no communication here.
आप आरओ का पानी यूज करते थे या नॉर्मल नल का पानी? उससे भी डिपेंड होता है आप कितना प्यार करते हो.
फिर मम्मा आएंगी 5 मिनट देख के आएंगी अपना पैक करके, और अगर हम अभी भी बेड पे तो फिर आएगा सीधा पानी. कुछ
लवली.
आई थिंक हर कोई कर्टन हटा के और लाइट ऑन करके ही उठाता है.
हाँ.
That's the
पानी
best
की
way.
नौबत आई नहीं थी.
1-2 बार तो डला था पानी.
But my mom doesn't even say wake up or put the light on. enters and she talks कि how am I looking? अच्छा, you know you have to do this. वो maid आएगी ना तो उसको ये बताना है, and I have slept while she's talking and then she calls me later and she's like, मैंने तुम्हें बताया था ना ये बोलना है जब तुम सो रही थी. I'm like, हाँ मॉम मैं सो रही थी तो मैंने नहीं सुना. अरे ऐसे कैसे नहीं सोते हुए कैसे नहीं सुन सकते तुम? This
हाँ,
is
that's true. हमने आपके बारे में इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोली हैं, आप लोग भी हमारे बारे में कुछ बोल सकते हो.
सच्ची सच्ची तो ये है कि all this is very exaggerated. I don't think all this has happened.
moms are really in denial about everything.
इसीलिए थेरेपी जाना पड़ता है जहाँ थेरेपिस्ट आपकी बात माने. I feel like she's going to throw the chappal now. हाँ, नहीं
हाँ,
carry on.
बोली
Sorry,
बोली
sorry,
हाँ,
sorry,
हाँ,
बोली.
बोली.
Tell the truth
Yes, yes, please
What
tell the
truth?
truth. We'll
about
cut
how
it
you
later.
bunked school, went off in a car.
Yeah, yeah, sure,
full
we'll
of-
cut it.
She went off. I called again from office, panicking. Where is she?
ये
She's
घर नहीं
supposed-
आई थी स्कूल
घर नहीं आई थी वापस स्कूल से.
मैं स्कूल गई
But school गई ही नहीं थी. And then I had a friend who used to work for Vodafone.
हाँ.
He actually sat and traced her. For me.
Vodafone, you know, these are the employees you are hiring who are going against.
Vodafone doesn't exist anymore. but
Oh,
anyway.
okay.
हाँ.
But we traced her. We saw the signal of this phone, which was not picking up our calls or whatever. It was on the ceiling.
अरे नया नया बना था यार, मुझे देखना था सीलिंग, कितना मजा आता है सीलिंग पे यार. तो
और फिर we called everyone. We called Reem. We called all sorts of people. My other daughter, the perfect daughter, she was calling everyone.
did she just did 1 second? Did she just?
Yes, she did.
I panicked. I left office, came back, and I'm like really stressed out because we don't know. We can just see this little signal
It's
somewhere.
Moving on the screen.
Further away. Oh
Yeah.
shit, Jaipur पहुंच गई.
Then I get this call that it's coming back. And then we are standing at the gate. Me, that friend of mine, Disha.
हाँ.
And we are waiting for her. The car comes and stops. Madam walks out of the car.
हाँ.
One socks up, one socks down.
Of course.
Tie fallen like in school uniform.
हाँ.
And with her hair all messed up. And she's
What's
And-
happening in that car on ceiling?
she was drunk.
She was drunk.
And she's walking like she can't
It's
walk.
not legal to be drinking at that age. I was not drunk, guys. I was having Diet Coke.
What standard was she in?
8th or 9th.
साड़ी पहन के ये हरकतें करती हो तो.
अब मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं करती. मैं बहुत सुशील, अच्छी, संस्कारी, पौष्टिक.
She actually walked into a family gathering drunk. I had to leave that gathering, pulled her into a rickshaw and took her back.
I'm not supposed to make my fans feel fans. Who the
Really?
who fans?
Yeah.
I don't have
And
fans.
then that same natak, before I could hit her, she went into one.
No,
Friends.
the elevator opened. My mom saw me. I was like this, and she's like, she came in, she pushed me back in, shut the door. You're going home. That's why I don't drink anymore. This is the reason I don't drink.
You
anymore.
started too soon and ended.
Yeah, I was done.
She
I
did
think
everything.
Are there any habits of yours that you see in us? Like when you look at us, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ हमने आपसे लिया है?
काफी कुछ
जैसे कि?
तुम loving caring हो.
Are you calling yourself loving, caring?
Oh, very nice.
She's
Smart.
saying-
A lot of things, a lot. In fact, I think she and I are very similar in comparison to Disha. Like in terms of hosting people, she goes all out like me.
Just like you, yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
And I'm like this little cleanliness, like little I need.
know.
My mom has this habit. She likes everything in straight lines. If like right now this must be troubling her. She wants this pen has to be in straight lines.
Therapy is tomorrow. कल जा कल
Okay, listen.
She used to take, if I had my laptop and everything on my notebook and all, she has taken my laptop, phone, notebook, everything in straight. But that's, you can't work like that.
My
right?
mom to gave up on me. She's very clean. So she then, that's why उनकी असली बेटी दूसरी बेटी क्योंकि वो clean है उनकी तरह.
हाँ.
But I have a lot of my mom after I grew up. पहले कुछ नहीं था. पहले आप और सोनाली में ज़्यादा I think चीजें same थी, right?
हाँ, cleanliness और
हाँ.
very perfectionist थी वो.
Perfectionist. हाँ. और
अब हाँ तुम भी हो गई हो. Better with time.
my mom can't remember this, but I'll tell you, I go to the Gurdwara a lot, and every time I now go to the Gurdwara, I remember I get it from her because every time she's upset or she's this thing, she'll go to the Gurdwara, and I do the same
Yeah.
thing. Coping thing. So I think I've got
You
that.
know, उससे तुम्हारे पाप सारे पाप
In
नहीं
fact,
होंगे ना?
मैं
जितना
अब
भी
तुम
तुम
लोगों से सीखती हूँ, you know,
क्या सीख रहे हो?
कि हाँ अपना पैशन फॉलो करना चाहिए.
That's true.
है ना?
Yeah,
Why
yeah.
not? खुश रहो.
I learn a lot from both of them.
Yes.
What?
Everything. Like I like the way Kuchi puts herself together, dresses up. I
Oh,
like her
really?
style.
Yeah.
Her fun side, you know, where
Stop
she says so many funny things. She's doing all of this. Her
Yeah.
makeup. I
Oh,
love the way she
She does
her
good makeup.
I don't know why. I
Also,
did
how she's taking care of her own house now.
that. Yeah.
I'm proud of you girls.
Yeah.
Aw, this became a sweet one. We were gonna like DITCH about them.
But we will now.
Yeah.
Acha, tell me what is
आपका सेक्स के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
वो नहीं होता तो आप लोग भी नहीं होते.
You know, at least with them, you know they did it at least twice.
बाकी सब तो डिनाई कर देंगे. नहीं हम नहीं करते. मुझे आपसे एक डायरेक्ट सवाल पूछना है. You and my grandmom would actually encourage me to wear more
Saris.
not saris but more traditional clothing. So I want to understand what is your relationship with saris? Like when you wear a sari or when you shop for one, what is the emotion that it brings to you?
I think it makes you feel like it's some occasion, celebration. Maybe it's like celebrating yourself sometimes, whichever size you may be in. The
That's
moment you drape a sari on yourself, you start feeling more beautiful.
Yeah, that's true. Mama, when you wear a
Yes,
sari.
I do collect all the varieties. I keep collecting saris also.
But when you wore one, how did it make you feel?
Yeah, it looked nice. Yeah.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, वो साड़ियाँ किसको दोगे?
अरे तू साड़ी क्यों मांग रही है? तू घर मांगना.
घर तो मिल गया ना?
हाँ, that's true. साड़ी कितने दोगे उसको? और
अब
मुझे?
तो भी रोजे है ना.
सब फिरोजे
It's good to skip
उसको
me.
पता भी नहीं है साड़ी क्या है. वो सा भी नहीं बोल सकती, लेकिन वो साड़ी उसको मिलेगी. Correct.
But it's such a thing, na? Getting saris down from different generations.
Yeah.
Like I'm sure तेरी दाची की साड़ी mom को गई
I
होगी.
have my grandmother's sari which she wore on. I think
don't
she
know why
wore this
she-
red sari on your wedding, and then she gave that to me for my wedding.
You wore your dachi sari on your
Yes,
wedding?
for one of the occasions. Do you have any saris that your
Yeah.
ex-mother-in-law,
So,
current
no, not
mother-in-law?
My mother-in-law now, she has one cupboard. She's shown me that this is all these saris are for you.
How nice.
And
then
she
you
has the most gorgeous Kanjipuram.
Kanjivaram.
Kanjivaram.
Actually, the sari I wore on my haldi day was gifted by your mother-in-law.
Amma
Which
is
is so
South
interesting.
Indian, no? So
Yeah.
South India में तो they wear
And
a
she
lot
has
of
a
saris.
lovely taste in saris. Even the
Yeah.
way she wears a sari every day. And she drapes it so beautifully. And she looks gorgeous.
Saris do look gorgeous. Actually, saris are so versatile. You don't always have to wear them like this. Like,
Yeah.
and the drapes are different. Gujarati drape is different. Parsis wear saris differently.
Even Bengalis have
Bengalis have a different drape.
drape.
You can wear the skirt wala jo keh rahe ho, it almost looks like a lehenga.
Yeah.
जैसे मैंने एक बार एक साड़ी पहनी थी, उसको बेल्ट भी बना दिया था ऐसे, you know. और फिर साड़ियाँ अगर चलो तुम्हें एक साड़ी थोड़ी खराब हो गई तो उसका आप कर्टन भी बना सकते हो.
Wow.
Look at how the exchange looks. Actually, this sort of encapsulates the idea that sari is virasat. Basically, it's
Yeah.
inheritance, right?
Correct.
Like I don't think I've bought a sari in my
Yeah.
life. I've only got it from you, from Dachi,
Yeah.
from your mother-in-law, like a new family that has
Has
come into
also
my
passing
life.
on.
It's a great collection to have because memories attach होते हैं ना उससे.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's almost like a piece of jewelry.
So, give me all your saris. Basically, that's what I'm trying to
Yeah.
say.
क्योंकि साड़ी विरासत होती है, just like लक्ष्मीपति का टैगलाइन है, वैसे ही वो हमारे पास आना चाहिए along with other
आना ही
things.
चाहिए.
आना ही चाहिए along with
मतलब घर गाड़ी
वो तो आ ही
साड़ी.
रही.
घर गाड़ी साड़ी.
घर गाड़ी साड़ी.
घर गाड़ी साड़ी guys. Just want to say. आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको किसी एक तरीके से रेज किया है, राइट? और बहुत चीजें करी होंगी, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल डिसिप्लिन करने के लिए. शायद मारा होगा, शायद नहीं, शायद भूखा रखा होगा, शायद नहीं. आई डोंट नो. How? What did you do differently with us? What did your parents do to you, and how did you not do that to us?
नानी नानू
कुछ जो आपको
actually
लगा अलग वो
अलाउ
करते
नहीं
थे.
करते थे हमें नाइट स्टे विद फ्रेंड्स.
Yeah.
ठीक है, that I allowed.
But it was it difficult for you to allow it?
I explained them and what to do, what not to, and then see, this is how I am also evolving now.
Yeah, but that's true. इनको कहीं जाना
So-
allowed नहीं था.
But what would you explain to her? Like if she's going out, what would you tell her?
Nowadays you are taking that classes ना,
Sex
Sex ed.
हाँ.
तो I used to tell you ना कि कोई भी गलत जगह छूना नहीं चाहिए,
Correct.
कोई भी.
Good touch and bad touch.
हाँ,
So you did
वो
have the
सब
conversations
बता
that
के-
Nani never had with you.
yeah.
Also, आपको singer बनना था, लेकिन आप नहीं बन पाए. Then you wanted me to be a singer. लेकिन now she wants Veruze to become a singer.
Yes.
She's like,
Why
अब ये
not?
गाएगी.
Why not?
कोई तो सिंगर बन जाओ.
कोई बन जाओ.
I think आपको अभी you should go back to singing, go back to Riyaz, start singing more, and you should put up your singing videos on social media.
I agree. You're very good. And आप क्या करते थे differently?
I think the biggest thing that I sort of did differently was give them the freedom to be themselves and do whatever they want to do in life. For example, drop out of college.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, which my parents would never
Guys,
have.
I'm fully educated. This is a lie.
Both of them.
Yeah, you're fully educated.
I have done
fully.
my MA and MBA.
Yeah, MA and MBA. You've
In
done.
MBA.
You've done your MA and MBA. Very nice.
And like for instance, both are in the industry. Both are like, she's an actress. I don't think my dad would have ever, even though he's a film director, at that time it was a taboo to get into films.
That reminds me that you tried acting also in.
But that was much later after having. I mean, I was married.
And you gave it up?
Yes, I was.
But she got work. She did 2 TV serials, 2 3.
Let's not
And you
talk
did a
about
few
that.
ads.
She said, let's not talk about that.
She went like, oh, that's a tough.
You girls play okay, play okay.
तो अब हम आपके साथ खेलेंगे एक गेम. The game is called Sari Not Sari. We are going to throw some questions at you, and if you are sorry about that particular situation, then you have to say sorry. And if you're not sorry about that particular situation, then you have to say not sorry. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Your question number 1 is gaslighting your child by saying मैं कब वैसे बोली, तुम तो हमेशा overact करती हो. Are you sorry about that or not sorry? Of course.
पर आप ये करती हो, ये तो admit करोगी ना?
Clearly.
We are not guilty about anything.
अच्छा चलो. Keeping the good saris for special occasions that never came. Mama, you
आप
better
इसके बारे में guilty हो या नहीं?
Guilty तो
Okay,
आप
good.
Actually guilty ना हो इसलिए sorry.
guilty हो ना.
हाँ.
तो
मेरी
साड़ी दिखाओ.
fully
Guys,
साड़ी.
ये पहली बार हो रहा है नेशनल YouTube पे, जहाँ पे 2 मम्मियाँ सॉरी बोल रही है. ये आज तक कभी नहीं हुआ है कि 2 मम्मियाँ
sorry बोले.
सॉरी बोल रही
हम
है.
सारी बोल रहे हैं.
Oh. अच्छा, पहले आपने हमें आलू पराठे खिलाए और उसके बाद हमें वेट गेन के बारे में भाषण दिया.
हाँ कि अरे
मोटी
मोटी हो गई हो तो आलू
कम
पराठे
है।
खिलाए, पर उसके बाद भी ओके.
Ah.
शी इज नॉट सॉरी.
Not at all.
Not my problem.
मोटी तो तुम थी ना. अच्छा, acting like you don't care about gossip but knowing everyone's full family history. मतलब मुझे तो gossip से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता,
Repeat,
लेकिन
please.
वो बुआ ने क्या कहा?
But again, I would like to.
I want to
She's sorry about everything.
Mama, you're a very sorry
I just
person.
got sorry, yeah.
Complaining about wedding expenses but secretly wanting grand wedding for your child.
No, not.
Yeah, because you didn't have to pay for the wedding.
But my mom doesn't complain about the wedding expenses. My dad does. She's a
Yeah.
homemaker. My
But he
dad-
wants to do 100 packs wala party also.
Of course.
Yeah, we'll do a dad's episode special.
Father's Day.
Separate. Yeah, Father's Day. So being over dramatic, over emotional, overreactive for absolutely no reason.
My mom is like, you're being over dramatic right now also.
हाँ
Yeah.
तो बनता है ना.
हाँ, तो फिर not sorry बोल दो.
No, sorry.
Oh, you are.
She's very shy, very accepting.
She is saying Lakshmipati just
She's
give me
like, sorry,
saris.
sorry,
I will
sorry,
say
sorry.
sorry forever.
Saying जब माँ बनोगी ना तब पता चलेगा after every small argument.
हाँ
She's
sorry.
not
साड़ी पहनोगे तुम.
Mama, that has nothing to do with. I think my mom doesn't have to know the game.
कि अगर इस situation में तुम साड़ी पहनोगी. Is that what she thinks?
Yeah, I don't know. Mama, are you sorry?
It's
होता
very
है,
not sorry.
But you
ठीक
are
है?
not guilty about
Not
it.
sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
She's
Clearly.
not.
Yeah.
Removing someone else's anger on your kids, and by someone else, I mean dad.
Very very sorry. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
I have not
Sorry,
done
sorry,
that.
sorry.
You've not removed anyone's anger on me. मतलब वो anger मेरे तरफ ही channelize था हमेशा.
तेरा
It was
इतना
my
anger
anger
था.
on you. It was not somebody else's.
Okay, some personal questions. Never saying sorry even though it's your fault.
I'm not sorry about
You're not sorry. Of course you're not sorry. What about wearing my clothes and then saying that no, this is mine?
that you did to me.
Huh? I did to you
Yeah.
because you had more clothes.
Did
I had
you
more
ever do
clothes.
that?
So
Yeah, but they fit me.
Okay, then why are you asking that question? Are you
That's true.
stupid? Okay, last question. Telling your kids ki speak up, but when they're in an argument with you, shutting us down.
yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Oh, sweet.
Not sorry.
She's not sorry.
Yeah.
She's like, बाहर जाके अपना मुंह खोल. मेरे सामने मुंह खोल. मेरे साथ माँ हूँ मैं तेरी.
लड़ाने का.
Thank you so much, mummies, for coming to Two Girls and Two Cups. हम Women's Day पे आपको एक gift देना चाहते हैं. And what better than Lakshmipati sarees?
Yeah.
ये आपके लिए.
Thank you.
और वो मम्मी
Oh, sorry.
खुद से नहीं
सृष्टि.
रखना है सृष्टि.
Thank you so much for doing this for us.
you.
खोल के देखो ना, खोल के देखो ना.
ऐसे नहीं बोलते.
Wow.
निकालो.
Yeah, this is nice. Thank you, Lakshmipati sarees.
Beautiful.
But I chose another one.
वो भी मिलेगा.
This
Oh,
was the one I
निकालो,
chose.
खोल के.
Yes, yes, you'll get that one.
हाँ, you'll get another one. I'll keep this.
And this is also Lehriya, like,
Oh, this is Lehriya. Oh,
It's
got
similar.
it.
This is
Yeah.
called Lehriya.
yeah, because it has lines.
So yes, enjoy your saris, girls, and please wear more saris because you also look very
And,
beautiful.
I'll start wearing it now.
So thank you for watching Two Girls and Two Cups Women's Day Special, Women's Month Special, powered by Lakshmipati Sarees. आगे भी पूरे month we are going to do these episodes with really powerful women, powered and brought to you by Lakshmipati Sarees. Okay, bye, 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 bye.
अच्छा आंटी, मैं आपको ऐसे ही पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपको ऐसा डर नहीं लगता कि आपकी बेटी मेरे साथ हैंग आउट कर रही है कि उस पे मैं अपना इन्फ्लुएंस डालूंगी और ये भी ऐसे पागल हो जाएगी, ऐसा आपको?
हाँ लगता है ना. I want to tell you something.
What?
Just fuck off.
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups. Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never. Keep listening. Bye. Cheers. Sayonara. Alvida.